Every day, we come to school, we learn, we grow, we dream of a better future. But what if the future we're expecting isn't actually as good as we expect it to be? Graft and corruption. It's not just a headline or simply just words. It affects our nation and especially students' future.
Look at our classroom. The roof leaks whenever it rains. We settle on using old books. We deserve better than this. We're supposed to be learning here for the better future. But how can we, where our own leader, can properly provide our basic needs?
The school's computer lab hasn't been updated in years. On these days, knowledge and technology is must to compete. But we're stuck in this old, inupdated equipment. Where's our money going? Our leaders' promises faded into thin air. Supposed to be for us, for our education.
Even the food in the canteen is overpriced. Not everyone could afford such a price. Some may be capable, but most of us struggle just as students. We don't have a lot of money. We deserve affordable, nutritious meals.
As students, it really is a struggle for us while we try to be academically active. We deserve to have support, better education quality, and adequate materials. As students, we deserve the best education, but graft and corruption is holding us back.
What do corrupt leaders expect us to do? Keep sitting and watch them destroy our country's future? We students should be aware. It should also start from us. We should not settle for a bare minimum efforts of our government. The leaders should be the ones serving our country, not us citizens.
Let's stop letting corrupt politicians blind us. Let us stop our country from drowning because of their corruptions. Ating alalahanin ang sinambituon ng ating bayaning si Dr. Jose Rizal. Kabataan ng pag-asa ng bayan, nararapat lamang nating ingatan at iunlad ang bansang ipinaglaban ng ating mga bayani.
Para sa ating kinabukasan,
We should let them hear our demands for our future.
Pumili ng politikong nararapat magkaposisyon sa gobyerno.
Let's demand good governance.
Because we students always have the right to speak for ourselves.
walang kahit sinong politiko ang dapat nating hayaan na abusuhin ang ating bansa.